Welcome to the Key Control Training Guide for the ECOS Key Cabinets. The ECOS Key Management Cabinets are used at this site to control access to keys, ensuring that only authorized employees or contractors with valid access can retrieve them. These cabinets are centrally located to make it easy for all users and operators to access their keys efficiently. The ECOS Key Cabinet works with the same access method you use to enter or exit the site, such as your access card or fingerprint. Some cabinets have the access reader directly on the cabinet, while others have the reader installed next to or below the system. How to access a key. At the ECOS Key Cabinet, swipe your access card or place your finger on the reader. Once the system authenticates you, the cabinet door will open automatically. Look at the touchscreen display on the cabinet. Depending on the operation, the system will be set to display different screens as standard. These are the 3 different types of views on the screen you can expect to use. Keypad view. The keypad option will show a numeric keypad. Simply type in the key number you would like to take and tap the release button at the bottom of the keypad. List view. With the list view, it will display your available keys in list order by the names of the key. To select the key you wish to take, simply tap the checkbox next to your key and press the release button at the bottom of the list. Key panel view. This view will show green keys and red circles. Green keys indicate you are authorized to use that key, while red circles indicate you are not permitted to use that key. Simply tap on the green key you wish to access. Now, once you have chosen the key you would like to remove, a blue light will appear above the corresponding key inside the ECOS Key Cabinet. Pull out the key and remember to close the door. If the system is not set to list view and you are unsure which key you need to remove, tap the list icon underneath the key panel. This will only apply to the keypad and key panel view options. The system will automatically record the key's removal, so there is no need to write on a manual key register. Now, let's recap the key removal process. Swipe your access card or place your finger on the reader. On keypad view, punch in the key number and tap release. For list view, tap the checkbox next to the key name and tap release. For key panel, tap on the correct green key on the touchscreen's key panel. Wait for the blue light above the corresponding key. Remove the key and close the door. If you're unsure, remember to use the list icon to find the key you need. How to return a key. Swipe your access card or place your finger on the reader. Insert the key's ID plug into the correct slot and close the door. If you accidentally insert the key into the wrong slot, the system will guide you by flashing a blue light above the correct slot with an acoustic alert. Simply remove the key and place it in the correct slot. Important notes. Most ECOS key cabinets are integrated with the site's access control system. If you don't return a key to the cabinet, or if you give it to someone else to return, you will be unable to exit the site through the turnstile gates until you have returned the key correctly. If your access is not valid, you won't be able to remove a key. If you're an operator with an expired license, you must renew it before you can access a key. Some ECOS key cabinets have a breathalyser installed next to the cabinet. In this case, you'll need to pass a breath test before gaining access to keys. How to remove a key with a breathalyser unit. Swipe your access card or place your finger on the reader. The screen will prompt you to blow into the breathalyser. If no alcohol is detected, the door will open automatically. Depending on the view, follow the steps and release the key you wish to use. Wait for the blue light above the corresponding key. Remove the key and close the door. Key return with the breathalyser. Swipe your access card or place your finger on the reader. The screen will prompt you to blow into the breathalyser. If no alcohol is detected, the door will open automatically. Return your key to the correct slot and close the door. The ECOS key cabinets are designed to maintain safe, responsible and compliant key handling practices for all employees, contractors and visitors. If you're unsure about any step or experience difficulty accessing your keys, please contact your supervisor, manager or key controller for assistance. Thank you for using the ECOS key management system responsibly.